what's going on there? Welcome back to RoboCAD Design. My name is John MK. In today's video, we are going to be learning on how we can set our dimensioning system in Solidworks. So if it is your first time to come to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing there, like my videos, comment below, and also don't forget to strike that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without much ado, let's get into today's topic and see what we got. So the first thing you have to do is just open your SolidWorks, and then you can press Ctrl-N, which is a shortcut to open a new file or part, where I shall be teaching how to consider dimension. Double click on part option. Then it will take us to an interface where we can access all the tools that we need. So if you want to do your dimensioning system, or you want to customize the dimensioning system, first thing you have to do is just come to this option here, just down here. On your bottom right hand corner, there's an option, several options are given to you, which are the default option or the default dimension system that is given to you is MMGS. So usually you can choose based on your organization, like you can choose IPS, CGS, or MKS, or else you can customize your own dimension. Now to customize your own dimension, what you have to do is just come to edit document units. It will give you these options here, dimension, the document properties. So just have to come here and click on custom. Then you are given several options where you can customize the dimension based on your requirements. So you can see here, these are types of dimension: length, dual dimension length, angles, mass, units, and per unit volume. Then here we have units, millimeter, inches. Now, once you click on this millimeter option, like if it's length, you can change it to feet, you can change it to inches. Just come and click on this drop-down menu like that. It gives you several options like miles, micro inches, meters, microns, nanometers, angstroms. So just have to choose based on your requirement that you require to do your modeling. So you can choose like inches, let's say inches. Then here you can choose a dimensioning system which you want to use. You can use a not dimension system but decimal places. You can make a dimension to be in 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, up to 8 decimal places. You can choose ours to be into 4 decimal places. Now on dual dimension length, here we can choose also inches, or you can change and choose whatever you want. Dimension system, let's maintain it 4. Degrees, angles, when you are dimensioning angles. In degrees, you can dimensional angles, let's say in radians, and you can choose up to 4 dimension system. Then for mass section and properties, you can also choose a dimension system and you can change them like this. Same process. Centimeter, change centimeter. Let's say let's make it equal with the basic units. Let's make it inches. And this one should be in, let's say kilograms. And then our per unit volume, we can say centimeters cubed. It is actually recommended that you should maintain the dimension system to be equal in all your drawing if you want to get the right requirement or the right tangible value of the model you are going to be drawing. So also down here, you are given several options of rounding off your decimal places. Here you can choose to round off your decimal places either halfway from 0, or half towards 0, or half to even, or truncate without rounding. Now it is recommended that you use the first two options given. You can choose the second option, round half towards 0. So that's it for customizing a dimensioning system. Then you can click OK. Make sure this box here is selected, then click OK. Now, whenever you're going to draw anything here, you are going to be drawing in terms of inches. You can just draw a line. Let's choose a front plane. Let's say, let's draw a line or a triangle. Let's say something like this. Whenever you want to dimension, you're going to be dimensioning according to dimension system that you have selected, you see. Now this will be in terms of inches. You can say 1.5 inches. This one we can select and say let's not dimension this, but let's dimension the angle. This angle in between these two lines, hypotenuse and the baseline. It is going to be dimensioned in radians. As we have chosen in our dimensioning system, you can choose 0.6 radian. And you see, our sketch becomes predefined in our dimension are assigned as we have customized them in our dimensioning system settings. So also I'd like to explain that once you change the dimension that you have set before and you change them into, let's say, IPAs or in MMGAs, all the dimension that you have assigned in your sketch will be converted. It doesn't matter how complex your sketch is, but all the dimension you have assigned in your sketch will be converted to the new dimension which you change into. So that's something good in Solidworks. So just come here and let's change it to MMGAs from our custom. Notice that the sketch option have existed, and we are not now in sketching mode. But to go back in sketching mode, just come here and click sketch. Then this edit sketch option, just click on it. Now notice that our dimension which we assigned area from inches have been converted into millimeter. Now notice that angle, it will remain the same, but length will change. Why angle is remaining the same? Because our dimension system is MMGS, which means millimeter grams in second. So angle, you have to go back to the edit document unit or custom dimension setting is an option and change your angle again. Angle will not change with the change in the dimension system. So what you have to do if you want to get your angle back in terms of degrees, not radian, just come here, the edit document units, then come document properties units, then on angle option here, change it into degrees and press OK. You see our radian angles have been converted into degree units. So basically that's how we can change our dimensioning system in SolidWorks. And I hope guys have learned something in today's video. Thank you very much for watching my video. If it's your first time to come to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, like my video, and help me share to your friends who want to learn SolidWorks. And also comment below. Let me know your opinion or your opinion on my videos. So guys, see you next time.